Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today I'm back with another recipe video, and today I am posting a video about this recipe I tried out. It's a pretty simple one and it's something that I would do without a recipe even, but you know, I'm trying out different things. But I don't know if this happens to you guys, but man, I'll be looking at these recipes, I'm like, but where's the spice? Like, where is the spice though? I mean, this recipe, there's no salt, there is no garlic, spice or whatnot. I was like, bruh. Anyways, it is a quick and delicious spinach and bacon pasta with Parmesan. That's literally about it. There is nothing else to add. But because of me being me and me loving flavor and just really appreciating and having the tongue for taste, I've added a few of my own spices to, you know, zhuzh it up just to give some flavor, because me, I'm not out here to eat bland food. And trust me, if I made that without adding these things, it would be bland and my family would be like, what is this? So I did add a few tweaks, so you might as well just call it my recipe. But anyways, it's really easy, simple. All the ingredients are in the recipe, and then you can just watch the video to see what else I added, and I put the amounts that I put in. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Please continue to watch my videos. If you love them, please definitely give them thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you at my next video.